Today we're going to make this Greek style stuffing. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 Italian sweet sausage and cook them in the oven. I have already cooked these, so we're going to get these ready by cutting them in half and then in 4s. So we're going to cut this up. So our sausage is ready. Put this to the bowl. And I have 4 pieces of bacon cooked already. It's not crispy, but it's like, you know, cooked up. So now we can just chop this. So we're gonna take our pan on high heat. We're gonna add some olive oil. So we're gonna be cooking up our bacon first. Next, we're gonna add in our onion and our garlic. We're gonna cook this until our onions are translucent. Next, we're gonna add in our raisins that are soaked in our brandy. We're going to cook off that alcohol, mix that together. Two and a half cups of chicken broth. And to that, we're going to add our 1 cup of rice, and we're going to add in our sausage. We're going to cook this, bring this to a boil, and then we're going to cover it so that we can cook the rice. So now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to cover this and lower the heat, and we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. So all the liquid has been absorbed, the rice is ready. We're going to toss in our 1/2 cup of chestnuts. We're gonna mix that in. And then we have our 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint. Add that in there. We're gonna add zest of 1 lemon. And last, I'm gonna turn off the heat and fold in the pine nuts. And now, our stuffing is ready. Traditionally, this stuffing is made in Greece at Christmas time, but here in America, this is one of my favorites for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to take a bite because this smells delicious. This is super flavorful and delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.